Hi everybody, Leslie from Discovery Fabrics. Today I'm not going to talk about fabrics. I'm going to show you a really quick trick to make your shoes so that they don't have to be laced up. One of the staff members here showed this to me, Ellen, and she was frustrated because her shoelaces kept coming undone. And so what she did was get a meter for each of her shoes. We are only showing one shoe here. And this is shock cord, which is generally used for like hoods and ties and that kind of thing. And it's an elastic round cord. And she has put the loop portion halfway through a cord lock. Now it will slip out if you pull it too much. It's very easy to put back in. If you didn't want it to slip out, you could go to the dollar store and just get what's called a pony bead, which is basically a bead that's about 1/4 inch and it's got a hole in it, and you would have that pony bead here and it would prevent that from coming through. Ellen didn't do that and it really doesn't even matter. So what you would do is, starting at the top of the runner, you would just go with each one, threading it through all the way to the bottom. And then once you have laced all of the shock cord in, you would grab a cord end. And in this case, Ellen has used the 2.5 millimeter cord, which is the thinnest cord we have. I think that's the right size to choose. And put it inside a cord end, and then it just grips it and snaps down very easily. We use this for hoods and all kinds of different things. I'm not going to snap it because I don't want to, I want to keep this reusable. But it does show finished here. And basically that's just a tip for making a very easy elastic slip-on shoe out of one that's a tie shoe. This sounds like a really good tip for your kids' shoes as well. Thanks for watching.